Welcome back. Anyway, so today we're on our way to Crete Senesi to meet up some friends and do some trekking around Tuscany, around Toscana. I'm a bit nervous because I think my body is not physically prepared for this one, but anyway, we'll see how it goes and I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, we're now starting our trek right now, and look at this. So beautiful. Siena. So we've been walking for about an hour now, and everything around here is really beautiful. So we've been walking for almost 2 hours now, and I'm really thirsty. I don't agree. yeah, everyone is just relaxing right now. So right now I'm having my light lunch while walking. It's a panino con finocchione. So what I like about this trekking is that the weather is not too hot. I mean, there's a sun, but it's not hot because it's very windy, and yeah, yeah, I'm enjoying the sun. So for those who are interested in doing this trekking here in Tuscany, I suggest you like wear comfortable shoes, like comfortable clothes, and bring at least one bottle of water, some snacks, and also of course your camera, because everything around here is really beautiful. So right now, guys, we got lost, but anyway, it's okay. I think we found our way now.
Un bel sorriso insieme. Sì.
Considerami. Cosa?
Perché un pochino c'è riuscito
Look at his hand. His paw.
a
What's the matter? Considerami. So right now, guys, we are on our way back, and I think it would take us around 45 minutes to get back to where we parked. We're almost back. Those cars over there. We parked our car over there, so yeah, I'm excited because I'm so exhausted right now. now here at Asciano, and hopefully we can find something to eat here because I'm really hungry. So unfortunately guys, there were no restaurants open in that area. So I think we're just gonna have to drop by McDonald's or some store that we could pass by on our way home. And yeah, I think I'm gonna stop here right now. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.